Right, gents, editing content on the website. First thing you want to look at when you're on the website, do you have these additional menu options? If you have, that means you're logged in. If it looks like this and you don't see any of the options, then you need to go here where it's fpnaconsulting.com/wp-admin. Now on there, you'll have to put in the information that you were given, which is the email address and the password that you've set. Once you do that, you'll end up at this page. Now, it might look a little bit different for you guys. You may not have all these options, but you'll have something that looks a little bit like this. So we'll go back up here where it says FP&A Consulting, visit site. Now, if you're looking at the articles, pick the article that you're having a look at. When you've had a read through and you've spotted something that you want to change, you'll come up here to edit post. You click on that. Then you can go to the section that you want to change. I don't know what we're going to do here. Let's just remove that full stop for now, just to change it. So whatever changes you've made, you're all good. You'll then click on update. It will take a second, and down the bottom left corner you'll see view post. That'll take you back to the view that you had before, and there's the change with the full stop taken out. Now, we have a bunch of articles that I've prepared but have not released yet. So let's come back up to here and go to dashboard. And you're looking for this option here, which is posts. You can either click on posts or all posts. And you'll see we have 22 articles, of which 12 have been published. 10 are still in draft. So let's have a look at the draft articles. Okay, you'll see some of these have already done some SEO stuff and we're getting some scores on it. Let's take, for instance, this one. Future of FP&A trends to watch in 2024 and beyond. So from here we can click on edit. Now this is the page where you can make the changes. So again, let's stick with full stops. And I'll just add a full stop there just to make a change to it. Now this column over here on the right, don't worry about that. Don't mess with that. Leave that to me. So you've been through this, you've made your changes. If you want to keep it as a draft, you just click on Save Draft. And again, down the bottom, it'll show you a preview. So you can click on and see what the article will look like when it is published. I need to go in here and put a button back to the contact and things like that. But you guys want to be looking at what sort of detail we're putting in here. So again, now that we can see that, I can click just here onto edit post. This takes me back to that page where we have the article edited. Now from here we can decide to publish it, and this will publish it straight away. We click on publish and publish again, and now it's been published and it's live. So we can either click on view post, where we can now see the post, or when we click onto case studies, we see that post is now live and appears at the top of the list. So I'm just going to click on that one more time, go back to edit, and I'm going to switch it back to draft. Sure you want to unpublish? Yes, I do. Saving, so you can see here, post reverted to draft. Now the same goes, okay, so if you're in here and you want to get back to the website, click on that button and then FP&A visit website, And let's see, for instance, in the about. This is slightly different. This is a page rather than a post. Slight difference in the way WordPress deals with them. But the same principle applies. Here we have a button which is edit page. As I said, it's now a page and not a post. So I can click on that. And I'm back to this edit view where I can go in and make any changes to any parts that I may want to make changes to. As you click into each box, it is dealing with what is in this box here, and you can change the type from being paragraph headings and various other things that you can do, but don't worry too much about that. You guys just focus on the wording and the content. So most of these we've done fairly well. We need to get a bit more detail for Sam and for Fanny. We might want to get, I don't know whether we're going to use the picture that I took, or we'll get Brian to send us a better copy of that, because that's shocking. But again, when you've made your changes, click on update, and again down the bottom left, once it's updated, will appear view page, so you can now see the changes that you've made live on there. And the same goes for every page. So if you're on the home page, you can go in there to make changes. Something else that you guys may want to have a look at, as well as the job opportunities. I've had to put in a privacy policy and a workplace policy. It might be worth you guys just having a little read through these and make sure that we're covering all the legal aspects we need to cover. So that's it in a nutshell. Pretty easy. If you need help getting logged on, let me know and I can send over your passwords. Alex, I think you probably lost yours. David, I know that you saved yours while we were together in Alex's. So good luck and let me know. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.